Hey guys, welcome to the adventure. Some of y'all probably missed us last week, and we definitely missed you as well. All right, so you're probably wondering why the heck wasn't there videos last week? For those of you who follow us on Facebook and Instagram, you already know. All right, so we did this thing. We went on the road just like we said we were going to. We went all the way down to Orlando, Florida, all the way to Phoenix, Arizona. We kept on going west all the way to California, and then we trucked it from California all the way back to Maryland. All right. So we covered almost completely from coast to coast. There wasn't too many miles we didn't miss. All right, but we made a pit stop. We stopped in Indianapolis and we picked up 4 out of the 6 grandbabies. Now, so no, some of y'all are confused and you're like, 6 grandbabies? What? You heard it right. We have 6 grandbabies. All right, so Scott was married prior to his teenage sweetheart. They had children very, very young. He stayed with her until the children were older. They got a divorce, and then we met, we got married, and I personally cannot have my own children, so my stepchildren, I call my children, and they have children of their own and stepchildren of their own. So we have 6 grandbabies, 2 children. So you won't hear me say my children and my grandchildren, all right? That's right. I'm Nana A, and Scott is Papaw. And we just love them dearly. So we brought them back for a week to Maryland with us. We unplugged. We, with the logistics of editing the videos and getting everything done, coming off the road and that big trip, we decided to just completely unplug. And that's what we did. So that's why there was no videos, all right? So thanks for understanding. And I'm glad you stayed along so you could see the adventures and how that trip went. It went fabulous. The sights were unreal. The sunrises, the sunsets, it just can't be topped when you're driving the truck and you can just go from complete darkness all the way to sunrise. It is just so incredibly beautiful to watch God just breathe his breath into the day. It's just amazing, all right? So, talking about that, I want to welcome you all to Good Morning in Amarillo. All right, so I videoed the sunrise driving from New Mexico into Texas, and the sunrise from when it was dark all the way until we stopped at the TA so we could get showered up, get ate, and it was time to shift drivers. And yeah, it was just absolutely beautiful. Hopefully you all enjoy it. So make sure you subscribe. Make sure you follow us on Instagram and Facebook. You can find the links easily below to subscribe to us. And yeah, enjoy the adventures. All right, guys. Bye.